Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you the complete settings of Play Store and how to use all these settings. So simply just open the Play Store. So here you can see this is the main interface of your Play Store. So on the top right side you can find the icons. Simply click here. So in first of all you have your login account. So after that click on manage app and devices, and here first of all you can see go to Play Protect. So simply if you have any harmful app, Google Play Protect will be not allowed this app. So simply in second, updates available. So here you can update all your apps. So in third number you can see how much Google Play Store is using your storage. After that you can see the share app. So here you can send and receive app, and now click on manage. So here you can see your installed apps and updates available, games. So after that just go back and now click here. So here you can see offers and notification, where you can check all the notification. So here you can add the payments and subscription, like you can add the payment methods here, that if you want to add the payment method in Google Play to buy the paid apps. So simply just you have to add your payment method here, like your cell phone or credit or debit card. So simply just go back. So here you can also check your budget and history. And now if you have Google Play Store redeem code, so simply just you have to type the redeem code here, and you can also add payment through this. And now after this just go to Play Protect, and now here you can see there is no harmful app in your mobile. So if any harmful app is available, Google Play Protect will not allow this. So after that just go to library. So here you can see the wish list. So if you have any special app you can add in wish list, and after that you can find the book. So here you can update this book, and just now here after that click on settings. So now in generals, here you can see account and device preferences. So simply open it. So here you can see your email and payment method. So here you can see the clear device search history, clear wish list, and leave beta program, and register for upcoming events. So all these options are available. Just simply go back, and now after that just when here you can see the notifications. So here you can manage your notification. After that here you can set your themes, and here you can set upgrade web links. So simply here you can create a web link. After that just here you can add the Google Play Store feedback. Now in network app preferences, here simply app download preferences like Wi-Fi, network, or anytime. So here you can see, here you can turn off your auto update apps and turn on Wi-Fi and network. After that here you can see autoplay videos. So simply you can select autoplay videos or Wi-Fi and data. So after that here you can see authentication like fingerprint or purchase authentication. So now in next session, this is the family. So here sign up for family library. You can also add apps in family library. So here you can see parental controls. So now here when you turn it on, you can only download the suggested app and games in your mobile phone. So now here you can understand the parental controls. Just go back. So now hopefully you have understand all kind of settings in Play Store.